Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm coming to you with another AI method, the review cluster analysis. We already have the pain point method which I have done, I don't know how many, I guess 1 year ago, I don't remember, but now I have a more advanced one. I didn't find out about this one, it's coming from my friend Jonathan, so congrats to him for finding that. If you don't like it, you can blame him also, not only give him congrats if you like him, if you not like him, if you like what he said. And let me tell you a little bit about it. Now the daily loop theory has been completed with all of the videos that I wanted to do about this series so that I can explain why we see cannibalization between the campaigns, and we have seen how important it is to have creatives with different angles and all of that. Of course, the pain point method is something that it's going to help you to have different angles and all of that in order for you to target different hot pockets and everything. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go and watch all of this video about hot pockets and the video about the daily loop theory and you will understand. So now this is another extra thing. If you cannot find ideas and if the pain point method is not working for you because I don't know.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going.
For some reason you cannot find different angles. This is another idea to find different angles so that you can have different creatives. It's called the review cluster analysis, and basically what we do is that we take all the reviews from a store or maybe your competitor's store if you want. We are grouping them together in a CSV file. We are uploading this to ChatGPT, and then we are saying to ChatGPT to give us different angles based on the reviews. The difference over here is this, that we are not only going to ask for different angles, but we're going to ask for different angles that are coming from a cluster of reviews, not just from one review, but many reviews together. Without any further ado, let's go into my PC. Let me show you one analysis that I have done for one fragrance brand, and I will take it from there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. It's not any rocket science, but it's just another idea for you to utilize so that you can find different angles. So first of all, I need to clarify that it's for businesses that they have reviews. If you have fake reviews, don't use your fake reviews. We need to use actual data in order for us to be able to find different angles. You need to explain to ChatGPT what kind of business you have. You need to explain the columns in the CSV file that you're going to upload with all of your reviews of what GPT is reading. And then you need to be precise that you need to have different angles which are coming from a cluster of reviews, not just one review, from a cluster of reviews that are just saying the same thing. For example, over here, we have seen that in number 15, we have a very important finding, which is, this is for a fragrance brand, that we have a unisex appeal. Very important for us. A lot of times there are brand owners that they have done a very good product and stuff, and they don't realize that this good product has also some other uses. Okay, for example, another thing that I'm seeing, for example, many times is that on the customer support, for example, okay, somebody is asking, am I going to have, for example, to pay for customs clearance, for example, some money because I live in France? And we answer, no, you don't have to do, because we cover the cost of customs. This is something that you can use into your ads as a hook, okay? So no custom fees, for example, something like this, because these are all objections that people have, and if you are able to spot them, then you can use them. The same thing can happen in a review. Somebody can say, I took it, I didn't pay for customs and stuff while I live in Sri Lanka, and it was a very good experience, for example. These things can happen. And the other thing that you're going to do, of course, is that you're going to ask for 5 hooks. You can use these hooks and test them into your copies, but you can use them also as headlines, or you can say ChatGPT to give you different headlines, or you can use it also inside your videos or images. It's very important to understand that when we're talking about copywriting or hooks, we're not talking only about the copy. We're talking also about the copy that we're having, not about the primary text, we're talking also about the copy that we're having inside the video. The copywriters nowadays, they are not taking care only for the different copy that we're going to have in our primary text, but they take care also from the copy that we're going to have inside our video and inside our image. The copy is very important, as long as you do understand that it's not only for the primary text, but it's also being used on your creatives. The creative copy, in other words. So you're doing these different hooks, you're having all these different angles that can give you different ideas. Based on the different ideas, you can make different creatives, different videos, even give different scenarios to different influencers and different prompts and different scripts so that they can do different videos for you. Use the different hooks for different variations, use them for different copy on the primary text, use them for different copy into your creatives, and start producing creatives with other angles in order for you to see if you can break the daily loop theory if you're having problems with that. If you don't have reviews, you can always go to the pain point method, which is another video which is kind of similar, but it's not based on actual reviews. It's based on ChatGPT helping you to find different pain points that your problem, that your product can actually solve. I will see you for the closing of the video. So, if you don't know what is the daily loop theory, go watch the videos. After you watch the videos, if you're not going to produce new creatives, it's your fault. But if you don't have any ideas, and now you have also the review cluster analysis and the pain point method, which is using the AI, then it's your problem again. You have to find something which is going to break the daily loop theory. It is not that difficult, right? We have AI now, we have all of these things. I'm giving you ideas, go and do it, start producing creatives, and stop losing or having cannibalization between your campaigns just because you're using the same creatives all over again, or because you think that you're using other creatives but they still resonate to the same hot pocket. Okay, so now you don't have any excuses. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can check also my mentorship programs. Below, you can check all the people that they have completed, and they have access to all of this information earlier from you on the YouTube videos. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.